Hello, brother.
What's happened?
I come in 3 hours.
Okay, get out of here. Get up.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
What? What's up? My brother come and say and tell me that he come in 2 hours.
Okay.
And don't tell me in what place I'm going.
Go.
Hey brother, give me your AirPods. Okay. Huh? How to investigate where are your brother? Oh yes.
Get up.
Hey, get up. Okay. Oh my god. What's up? The chilaquiles is bad. I need to the bathroom. Oh my god. My god. My god. Oh my god. Chilaquiles is stupid. Oh my brother. Oh, a person. Hey person.
Oh, no,
you,
stay.
okay, what?
You Jackson.
No, stay. Oh.
Bien.
Bate.
Hello, my friend.
Oh, my friend. What's up?
Do you do a thing? Quiet.
What? Okay.
Quiet.
I love playing with this. Oh my god. Oh no, this is bad. Cannot be. Cannot be. Hey, Kenobi. It's bad. Is your friend?
No, your friend?
No.
And why?
No, I don't know. But try. Please.
It's a lie.
What can I do? What can I do?
Nothing.
Oh. Oh no. Tres.
Hey.
Eva. Oh, bad.
You are so stupid.
What? No, what?
Hey.
What? Hey!
My mom that I don't. No. My kids.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. My friend.
What's up, brother? What's up?
It's the same thing.
What?
It's the same with the other kid.
What?
The same sword. But this
Oh.
in your legs.
Oh. What's up? Oh.
Tres. Tres.
Genevieve, no! Genevieve! What are you doing?